Fire Communications, this is Elise. Good evening, this is Laniesha with ADT, calling to report a residential carbon monoxide alarm. In what city? Fontana. Okay, we'll go ahead and get help charged out that way. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I was visiting some family and visiting with the grandkids, and I received a text message on my phone saying that our carbon monoxide monitor was going off at home. So I called the house and my mom answered, and you could hear it going off in the background. And
I ran into the laundry room. The sensor was saying it was carbon monoxide.
Hello. Good evening, this is Laniesha with ADT. Are you at your residence?
My mom is there. I'm talking to her on the phone.
Could you tell her to get out of the house, please? We're receiving a carbon monoxide alarm.
Laniesha had called from ADT, and she was fantastic. She was very in control, and I really appreciated her being calm when I was not feeling so calm. You take things for granted, and I think I had always taken it for granted having a security system until this happened. This was kind of a wake-up call that we needed to be on top of everything. Thank you so much for being so calm.
You're welcome.
I didn't know what I was doing, and you were just amazing.